Welcome, wanderers, to the breathtaking and vibrant city that effortlessly blends rich history with modern marvels. Get ready to embark on an unforgettable journey as we unveil the hidden gems and must-see wonders of the enchanting capital of Peru, Lima. Number 10. Las Nazarenas. Las Nazarenas, located blocks away from the Plaza de Armas in Lima, holds a captivating tale. In the heart of what was once a destitute neighborhood, inhabited by freed black slaves, a mural depicting the crucifixion of Christ was painted on a wall by an ex-slave. In 1665, an earthquake ravaged the area, leaving the wall unscathed, a miracle observed by locals. The Iglesia de las Nazarenas was then constructed around this wall, housing the revered image of the El Señor de los Milagros. During the El Señor de los Milagros festival on October 18th, an oil replica of the painting is paraded through the streets, joined by a grand procession of thousands. So if you're visiting Lima during mid-October, make sure to join the festivities and witness the vibrant celebration of faith and devotion that engulfs the city. Number 9. Huaca Pucllana. Nestled amidst the bustling neighborhoods of Miraflores, the pyramid-shaped temple of Huaca Pucllana stands in stark contrast to its modern surroundings. Constructed with adobe and clay bricks, a material defying the test of time, this ancient pyramid boasts 7 staggered platforms. The Lima culture, flourishing between 200 CE and 700 CE, crafted this monumental structure, serving as a significant ceremonial and administrative hub. Excavations have already revealed distinct sections, one associated with fish offerings and the other with administrative functions. Burial vaults housing human remains have been unearthed alongside artifacts from the later Wari culture, a culture which thrived in the region from 500 to 900 CE. Undoubtedly, Huaca Pucllana holds captivating secrets of Peru's rich past. Number 8. Basilica and Convent of Santo Domingo. Standing proudly in Lima, the Basilica and Convent of Santo Domingo exudes timeless grandeur. Its significant architecture and rich history beckon visitors to step into a world of religious splendor. Originally built in the 16th century, the basilica showcases exquisite Baroque and Moorish influences. Inside, ornate chapels, intricate altarpieces, and awe-inspiring murals captivate the senses. Explore the crypts beneath, the final resting place of prominent figures from Peru's past. Ascend the bell tower for panoramic city views, and immerse yourself in Lima's cultural tapestry at Santo Domingo. Number 7. Larco Museum. Located in Pueblo Libre, south of central Lima, the Larco Museum invites visitors on a captivating journey. Housed within an 18th century viceroy mansion, which sits on the top of the remnants of a pre-Columbian pyramid from the 7th century, the museum boasts an extensive collection of over 40,000 Peruvian ceramics. Particularly notable are the artifacts from Moche and Shimu cultures. While not all ceramics are on display in the permanent exhibition, the visible storage section offers an informal showcase of over 30,000 pieces. The museum also showcases pre-Columbian art, including goldwork, textiles, stone carvings, and metalwork. Set amidst a charming garden, the Larco Museum provides a tranquil escape to ponder the wonders of Peru's past. Number 6. Miraflores. Perched on cliffs overlooking the ocean south of central Lima lies the vibrant neighborhood of Miraflores, a fusion of contemporary glass and steel structures and charming colonial homes. it blends seamlessly with verdant green spaces. Miraflores is a haven for culinary enthusiasts, boasting trendy shops and restaurants that showcase the renowned New Peruvian cuisine, captivating taste buds worldwide. Along the clifftops, picturesque parks offer breathtaking vistas of the sea, where hang gliders gracefully soar above surfers riding the waves below. While slightly upscale, Miraflores offers more than just shopping and dining. History buffs can delve into pre-Columbian cultures with a pre-booked tour at the Museo Amano. Home to an extraordinary collection of ceramics and textiles, including those from the lesser-known Chance cultures captivating textiles from the northern coast. Number 5. Parque del Amor. Nestled on the Malecon in Miraflores, the Parque del Amor, or Park of Love, is a haven for romance and sunset admirers. Its undulating walls, adorned with mosaic designs reminiscent of Antoni Gaudi's Parc Güell in Barcelona, showcase the artistry of tiny tiles. Embedded within these mosaics are verses penned by notable Peruvian poets, such as Abelardo Sánchez León and Augusto Tomaya Vargas. Follow the flower-lined paths that wind along the cliff edges, leading to the park's centerpiece, El Beso, the Kiss. This magnificent sculpture, crafted by acclaimed Peruvian artist Victor Delfin, immortalizes the embrace of a passionate couple, evoking love's timeless essence. Number 4. Circuito Mágico del Agua. Immerse yourself in the enchanting realm of water at the Magic Water Circuit, located in the Park of the Reserve. This captivating attraction, unveiled in 2007, welcomed millions of visitors within its first year alone. Renowned as the world's largest fountain complex, it boasts an astonishing 13 distinct fountains. Marvel at the grandeur of the Fuente Mágica as the waters soar over 80 meters high, or stroll through the mesmerizing Tunnel of Surprises, a 35-meter passage enveloped in cascading water. The Fuente de la Fantasia presents a mesmerizing spectacle, where synchronized jets dance to the rhythm of music, accompanied by dazzling lasers and captivating imagery. Number 3. Lima Cathedral. Gracing the eastern side of the Plaza de Armas, Lima Cathedral commands attention with its majestic presence. Construction of the original cathedral commenced in 1553, later expanded in 1564, drawing inspiration from the cathedral in Seville, Spain. Despite enduring damage from the earthquakes in 1687 and 1746, the cathedral was swiftly restored to its current splendor. Marvel at the exquisite carved choir, the poignant depiction of Jesus in the St. John the Baptist Chapel, and the opulent churrigueresque altars, exemplifying the ornate Spanish Baroque style. Discover the mosaic-adorned chapel housing the tomb of Francisco Pizarro, the city's founder. Delight in a tranquil tea room nestled within the cathedral's courtyard, while a small museum of religious art awaits in its rear quarters. Number 2. Basilica and Convent of San Francisco. Immerse yourself in the captivating world of the Basilica and Convent of San Francisco. This historic site is renowned for its catacombs, housing the remains of approximately 10,000 individuals laid to rest when it served as Lima's first cemetery. Venture below the church and discover a labyrinth of narrow corridors, adorned on both sides with carefully arranged bones. The catacombs exude an eerie ambiance, with the reverberations of Mass echoing through the chambers. Explore further to encounter a vast library, housing antiquarian books and a remarkable collection of religious art. Marvel at the infamous mural depicting the Last Supper, where the apostles dine on guinea pig while the devil lurks beside Judas. Dating back to 1673, the Basilica and Convent of San Francisco stands as one of Lima's best preserved colonial treasures, withstanding the test of time despite earthquakes and leaving visitors in awe of its rich history. Number 1. Plaza Mayor de Lima. Step into the vibrant heart of Lima at Plaza Mayor de Lima, also known as Plaza Mayor. This expansive square serves as the historic center of the city and is the perfect starting point for your sightseeing adventure. Although the devastating earthquake of 1746 claimed many of the original buildings, the square has been meticulously reconstructed and now holds UNESCO World Heritage status. Admire the enduring bronze fountain, a sole survivor from the city's early days. Surrounding the square, you'll find architectural gems like the Archbishop's Palace, the Casa del Oidor, and the Palacio del Gobierno, where Peru's independence was declared. Don't miss the captivating changing of the guard ceremony, a highlight for visitors. Embark on a delightful stroll along the pedestrian-only Jirón de la Union, connecting Plaza de Armas to Plaza San Martin, where you'll encounter a delightful mix of old and new buildings housing charming restaurants and shops. Marvel at the exquisite Baroque colonial facade of La Merced Church, a testament to Lima's rich history. For a truly immersive experience, venture to the Casa de Aliaga, a remarkably preserved colonial mansion dating back to the city's early days. This extraordinary residence, still occupied by the Aliaga family after 17 generations since 1535, stands as the oldest continuously owned and occupied home in South America. Book a guided tour in advance and explore the house adorned with colonial furnishings from the 16th to 18th centuries. Plaza Mayor de Lima and its surroundings offer a captivating journey through the city's past, inviting you to discover its architectural wonders and immerse yourself in its captivating stories of Lima's history. With that being said, we've come to the end of our video. If you want to join us through our travels in Latin America, like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications so you never miss another video. See you in the next one. Until then, take care and thanks for watching.